All right, let's get into it. We're not just looking at the new year, we're looking ahead to 2026. Because right now, the ground is shifting under our feet in the tech world. And this is your roadmap for what's coming next. You know, this one sentence, it just perfectly captures where we are right now. The wild, experimental phase of AI, the try-anything era, is officially coming to a close. And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. So what does it actually mean that the party's over? Well, it means we're past the initial spectacle. We are moving from a year of pure hype to a year of real substance. Think of it like this. The house lights are on, the music is off, and it's time to figure out what we actually built. And let's be real, 2025 was an incredible party. We saw some absolutely mind-blowing demos, right? Proofs of concept that just stretched what we thought was even possible. The whole point was just to show the world, hey, look at this, look what we can do. It was all about raw, unfiltered potential. But now, that conversation has completely flipped. Potential isn't enough anymore. The C-suite, the investors, the market, they're all asking a much harder question. Okay, that's cool, but what's the return on investment? We've moved past what if and landed squarely on what's the business case. So to build for this new reality, we have to get really clear about what we're leaving behind. It's time to make a burn list, a few key concepts and practices that just aren't going to cut it anymore. First up on the burn list, manual APIs. I mean, the whole idea of manually stitching services together is starting to feel ancient. AI agents are getting so smart, they can literally discover and use APIs all by themselves. Manual integration is just becoming a bottleneck we can't afford. Next, boilerplate code. Seriously, why are we wasting human brain power on the repetitive, foundational stuff that an AI can spit out in seconds? Every single minute you spend writing boilerplate is a minute you're not spending on the complex, high-value problems that actually matter. And finally, we're burning the simple chatbot wrapper. Look, putting a friendly chat interface on top of a large language model was a great starting point, but it's not the endgame. The real value isn't in just chatting, it's in building autonomous agents that can actually reason, plan, and act. Okay, so if that's what we're getting rid of, what are we building instead? The new focus, the new paradigm, it all boils down to this one powerful idea: writing code that actually moves things in the real world. This brings us to the absolute core concept for 2026, physical AI. This is not software that just lives in the cloud or on a server. We're talking about code that has a direct, tangible impact on the physical world around us. Think robotics, think industrial automation, think autonomous systems that can actually do things. This slide, right here, lays out the entire shift perfectly. You see it, right? We're going from the demo to the ROI. We are graduating from those simple chatbot wrappers to what we call agentic stacks. These are sophisticated systems where you have multiple AIs working together like a team to get complex stuff done. And the most important part? Our focus is shifting from the screen to the physical world. And this quote, which is a little tease for the upcoming Consumer Electronics Show, it just says it all. The message is clear. Our relationship with tech is about to fundamentally change. It's moving beyond the glowing rectangles we carry around and becoming this invisible, autonomous part of the world we live in. So you have to understand, this isn't just another trend report. This is a direct challenge. It's a call to action for every single developer, engineer, and creator out there to completely rethink what is possible with the code you write. So this is it. This is the single most important question you can ask yourself heading into 2026. With this new mission to build for the real world, what are you going to create? What physical problem out there are you going to solve? Because really, the ultimate goal here, the North Star, is to build systems that are so smart, so robust, they can operate and deliver value all on their own. Build something that runs without you. That is the challenge, and that is the incredible opportunity of 2026.